Are you looking for the perfect brake pads front that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the best brake pads front, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Power Stop Front and Amp, Rear Brake Kit, Drilled Rotors and Carbon Ceramic Pads for Cadillac Escalade. The Power Stop Z36 Truck and Amp Tow Brake Kit is designed for drivers who demand high-performance braking for serious payloads, heavy trailers, and off-road adventures. Built for the Cadillac Escalade, this kit upgrades your vehicle with carbon fiber ceramic pads and drilled, slotted rotors, engineered to provide extreme-duty braking power. The carbon fiber ceramic pads offer exceptional brake bite while maintaining quiet, smooth performance for everyday driving. Paired with drilled and slotted rotors, they efficiently purge heat, gas, and debris to ensure consistent braking, even on long downhill grades or in stop-and-go traffic. Plus, the durable zinc plating protects the rotor surfaces from corrosion, ensuring longevity in harsh weather conditions. This kit also features stainless steel shims and premium hardware that resist heat and vibration, providing a perfect corner-specific fit. Enjoy cleaner wheels with a low-dust formula, and trust in the steady performance that fights fade during heavy use. The Z36 kit comes with everything needed for a simple, bolt-on installation with no machining required. Whether towing, hauling, or off-roading, this kit delivers reliable stopping power for your Cadillac Escalade. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Number 2. Bendix Priority 1 CFC 914 Ceramic Brake Pads. Compatible with Acura, Honda Civic, CR-V, Fit, and more. The Bendix Priority 1 CFC 914 ceramic brake pads are designed to provide your Acura, Honda Civic, CR-V, Fit, and other compatible vehicles with safe, reliable, and consistent stopping power. Engineered to meet OE specifications, these brake pads ensure a precise fit, making them easy to install and perfect for daily use. Featuring advanced ceramic friction materials, they offer superior stopping power, even under heavy loads or high temperatures. The ultra-quiet braking experience is made possible by the inclusion of specific shims, slots, and chamfers that reduce noise during operation. These pads are built to enhance safety by reducing brake fade and maintaining reliable performance throughout your commute or road trip. Rigorously tested to meet or exceed industry standards, Bendix Priority 1 brake pads are trusted for their durability and performance. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these pads are built for a wide range of vehicle applications, including popular models like the Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, and more. Their advanced design ensures that you can rely on them for smooth, consistent braking, mile after mile. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Number 3. BOSCH BC 1210 Premium Ceramic Brake Pads. QuietCast front pads for Lexus, Toyota, and Pontiac. The BOSCH BC 1210 Premium Ceramic Brake Pads are engineered to deliver exceptional braking performance for vehicles like Lexus, Toyota, and Pontiac. Designed with Bosch's QuietCast technology, these brake pads offer quiet, low-dust operation, making them ideal for everyday driving. Featuring the industry's best multi-layer rubber core shims, the pads ensure reduced noise while increasing strength and corrosion resistance, ensuring a quieter ride. The premium ceramic friction material provides superior stopping power while maintaining long-lasting durability, even under heavy use. These brake pads are built with a powder-coated backing plate that resists rust and corrosion, contributing to a longer product life. Bosch's attention to detail extends to the design of the pads, incorporating slots and chamfers for a precise fit and enhanced performance. The set includes everything you need for a hassle-free installation, including the pads for one axle, a hardware kit, when available, and synthetic lubricant for smoother operation. With over 77 years of OE braking excellence, Bosch brings reliability and innovation to each brake pad, making it a trusted choice for a variety of vehicles. If you're looking for dependable, quiet, and durable brake pads, the Bosch BC1210 is the solution. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Number 4. PowerStop Z36 Carbon Fiber Brake Kit, Drilled and Amp, Slotted Rotors for Ford Expedition and F-150. The PowerStop Z36 Carbon Fiber Brake Kit is the perfect solution for drivers looking to enhance their Ford Expedition or F-150's braking performance. This brake upgrade kit is designed for trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s that handle both tough work and thrilling adventures. With low-dust ceramic brake pads reinforced with carbon fiber, the kit delivers superior stopping power while maintaining smooth, everyday drivability. The drilled and slotted rotors ensure optimal heat dissipation, making them ideal for long downhill grades or stop-and-go traffic. Whether you're towing a boat, hauling heavy loads, or conquering challenging off-road trails, these rotors help maintain consistent braking performance by keeping brake temperatures in check. The kit comes complete with everything you need for a simple bolt-on installation, including premium stainless steel hardware and high-quality ceramic lubricant for smoother operation. The Z36 Truck and Amp Tow Brake Upgrade Kit is an easy, affordable solution for those who need reliable braking under heavy-duty conditions. With excellent durability and performance, it offers peace of mind on both workdays and weekends. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's braking system, this kit is a straightforward choice. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Number 5. Bosch QuietCast BC1623 Ceramic Brake Pads, Premium Front Pads for Mazda 6-5. The Bosch QuietCast BC1623 ceramic brake pads are designed to provide superior performance and reliability for your Mazda 6-5, offering a perfect balance of quiet operation and exceptional stopping power. These front pads are engineered with Bosch's exclusive molded shim technology, ensuring a high-quality bond between rubber and steel, resulting in reduced noise and increased strength. The ceramic friction material provides robust performance with exceptional stopping power while keeping dust to a minimum, so your wheels stay cleaner for longer. The powder-coated backing plate prevents rust and corrosion, extending the life of the brake pads. Bosch's QuietCast pads are rigorously tested for durability, so you can trust them for daily driving or long road trips. Additionally, the pads come with a hardware kit, where available, and synthetic lubricant to reduce resistance on sliding contact points, making installation easier and smoother. The set is ready to install, providing everything you need for a seamless upgrade. These pads are built to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and function. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting, and quiet braking solution, the Bosch QuietCast BC1623 ceramic brake pads are a great choice. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.